So how to clear troubleshooting history in Windows 11 10. So first of all, click on Start menu and type here CMD. You will see Common Properties tab. Yeah. So what you need to do is right click on it, and click on Run as Administrator. After that, you will see a confirmation. Yeah, you need to click here on Yes. So Windows Common Processor, click on Yes, and you will see window like this. Yeah. So next what you need to do is copy paste commands what I will put in video description. The first command will look like this. Maybe it will not work for you at first time, so we need to use another command that you will find in my video description as well. So again, click on right click on edit, paste, and hit enter. So after that uh, everything should happen, yeah, and you should close common properties and restart your computer, and it should work for you. For any questions, guys, please comment under this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel to see future updates. Have a good day. Bye.